Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to show you the power of VOIZ AI, the ultimate background noise cancellation technology. I am using an ordinary earphone you can purchase in stores anywhere. We all know the frustration of trying to have a conversation while being bombarded by background noise. But with VOIZ AI, those days are over. Let's dive right into it. For the plastic bag, now here's what it sounds like without VOIZ AI. I just switched on my voice AI and the plastic bag noise disappears entirely. Amazing, right? Voice AI cancels out the noise, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thank you. Next, the blender. This is without voice AI. The blender noise is overwhelming. And now with voice AI. So the blender noise becomes almost inaudible. Voice AI lets you enjoy your music or conversation without interruption. Thank you. Next, for the blow dryer. Now the blow dryer without voice AI. The dryer noise is very deafening. And now, with voice AI. The blow dryer noise is reduced to a faint background hum if ever you can still hear it. Voice AI turns chaos into serenity. Next, and finally, the most challenging one, a crying baby. So this is what it sounds like without voice AI. You can hear the baby in the background and it's very loud and disruptive. And now with voice AI. The baby's cry is significantly reduced in the background. Voice AI ensures you stay connected even in the noisiest situations. And there you have it, the incredible Voice AI background noise technology. With Voice AI, you can turn any ordinary wired earphone into a noise-free haven. Thank you.